We've all been waiting for Samsung's tri-fold phone to finally make its debut, and the latest leaks are telling us that it's almost here. Word from insiders says that Samsung's big reveal is set for the Asia-Pacific Economic Cooperation, the APEC Summit in South Korea, kicking off on Friday, October 31st. But here's the twist. This isn't your typical product launch. The tri-fold phone is apparently going to be displayed under glass, so all those top executives gathering at APEC won't actually get to touch it or put it through its paces. Kind of a tease, right? This is actually the second time we've heard rumors about the tri-fold making its appearance at APEC 2025, and given Bloomberg's reliable track record, it seems like we can finally start getting excited. Although, don't expect to run out and buy one just yet. The device is likely still a little ways from hitting store shelves. We were hoping for a September release, but that obviously didn't happen. Samsung did mention the tri-fold would launch before the year ends, though. With only a couple of months left, it seems like the countdown is on, but time's ticking. Now let's talk availability. There's been chatter that the tri-fold might not hit the market until November. Still, the good news is it sounds like it'll be available globally, unlike some of Samsung's previous foldables, which were limited to certain regions. When it finally drops, we expect the phone to sport an inward folding design with both an inner and outer screen. Word is, it could even have 3 separate batteries and be powered by the Snapdragon 8 Elite processor, so it should pack a punch. But all that tech doesn't come cheap. Rumor has it the starting price will be around $3,000, which honestly is pretty much what we expected for a device this cutting edge. So, what do you think? Is the tri-fold phone worth the hype? Drop your thoughts in the comments below, and I'll catch you in the next one. Until then, take care.